data shows the Bitcoin mining difficulty is set to see a large positive adjustment as the hash rate continues its sharp growth. The mining hash rate is an indicator that keeps track of the total amount of computing power that the miners have currently connected to the Bitcoin blockchain. When the value of this metric goes up, it means that the miners are finding the network profitable right now. So new ones are joining in, and or old ones are expanding their facilities. On the other hand, decreasing value suggests some miners had decided to disconnect from the blockchain, potentially because of the cryptocurrency not being profitable to mine currently. Now, here's a chart that shows the trend in the 7-day average Bitcoin mining hash rate over the past year, as displayed in the above graph. The 7-day average Bitcoin mining hash rate has continued to increase in the last few weeks and has achieved new all-time highs. The hash rate going up is a constructive sign for the cryptocurrency, as it leads to strength and security for the network. This is naturally because of the fact that a 51% hack becomes harder to perform the more mining rigs there are to attack. And this is also only given that the new hash rate being added to the network is sufficiently decentralized, as the same few entities controlling the new mining rigs may not provide any advantage to the security. Interestingly, the hash rate has continued to rise recently despite the price of the asset not having the best of times. Miners' incomes depend on the price. As the blocks rewards that they receive for even though they have solved the blocks more and more, what they do is solving more price. A feature of the Bitcoin blockchain is that the rate at which the miners can solve the blocks and hence claim the rewards stays constant. This temporarily breaks, however, whenever these chain validators increase their available mining power. That is the hash rate, and essentially the need to know is coming. With the extra power, the miners become faster than intended to bring them back towards the standard pace. The network adjusts what's called the mining difficulty and increases it in structures so that miners find it harder to go through blocks. Because of this restriction, the mining hash rate can also be looked at as a measure of the competition present among these miners. The more its value, the less than share of rewards that every individual miner can receive. And because of the constant hash rate growth, the mining difficulty has been going up and setting ATHs of its own. The recent growth in the hash rate has been particularly sharp. However, and in the next adjustment on the Bitcoin network, the difficulty would increase by more than 7% of the hash rate, maintain around the current levels till then. This adjustment would be among the largest that the chain has seen this year. Bitcoin has continued its recent downtrend during the past 24 hours as the cryptocurrency has now slipped towards the $26,800 mark